scrubbing, blotting, and using harsh mattifying products nonstop, you might think you're solving the problem. But here's the twist. You could actually be making your oily skin worse. Yes, the more you strip and punish your skin, the more it panics and pumps out oil. Imagine trying to stop a fire by throwing gasoline on it. That's exactly what happens when you go too hard on oily skin. In this video, I'll break down a skincare routine that finally teaches your skin to calm down, stay balanced, and glow without looking greasy. Why oily skin isn't the enemy. Oily skin has been misunderstood for years. People see shine and instantly assume it's a flaw, something to fight against at all costs. But oily skin isn't bad. In fact, it's your body's way of protecting itself. Your sebaceous glands are like little soldiers, flooding your skin with oil because they believe it's under attack. The real issue isn't the oil itself, it's the imbalance. Too little oil and your skin cracks with dryness. Too much, and you get the dreaded shine, clogged pores, and breakouts. The secret isn't destroying the oil. It's convincing your skin to relax and find balance. Step 1. The 60-second lukewarm wash. The first step sounds almost too simple, but it works. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser for exactly 60 seconds using lukewarm water. Not freezing cold splashes that shock your skin. Not foaming, drying cleansers that strip your barrier. Just a balanced wash for 1 minute. Why 60 seconds? Less than that, and dirt and oil cling to your skin. More than that, and you strip away the natural barrier your skin desperately needs. The sweet spot is 1 minute. Enough time to dissolve excess sebum without leaving your skin crying for help. Step 2. Swap toner for a training serum. Most people reach for alcohol-based toners that sting, dry, and promise to shrink pores. But these toners only fuel the cycle, making your skin fight back with more oil. Instead, reach for a training serum. A formula with niacinamide and zinc is a game changer. These ingredients don't bully your skin, they teach it. Think of it like whispering to your oil glands, telling them they don't need to panic produce all day long. Over time, your skin learns to find its balance without feeling attacked. Step 3. Hydrate with water-locking gels. Here's where many people make a huge mistake. Skipping moisturizer. They believe oily skin doesn't need hydration, but in reality, oily skin is thirsty skin. When you deny it water, it overcompensates by drowning you in oil. The solution is to use water-locking gels instead of heavy creams. Ingredients like polyglutamic acid and hyaluronic acid act like magnets, pulling water into your skin and locking it in. Gel textures give that cool, fresh burst of hydration without leaving any greasy residue. Feed your skin water, and it finally stops screaming for attention. Step 4. Targeted powdering instead of full face. Most people attack their face with a heavy layer of powder, hoping to blot away shine. But this only makes things worse. Why? Because when you dry out your entire face, your skin thinks it needs to replace all that lost oil. The trick is to be strategic. Think sniper, not shotgun. Apply translucent powder only where you actually need it, usually the forehead, nose, and chin. By targeting only your hot zones, you keep the rest of your skin calm and prevent the rebound oil production that makes you even shinier. Bonus hacks to keep oil in check. There are a few extra hacks that make the routine even more effective. Instead of paper blotting sheets, which irritate the skin, try dabbing with linen. It absorbs oil without causing more irritation. For a quick pore tightening trick, massage your skin with ice for just 30 seconds. It wakes up your skin, shrinks pores temporarily, and feels amazing. And don't underestimate the power of your diet. Healthy fats like avocado, salmon, and nuts help regulate oil production from the inside out. Oily skin isn't just an outside battle. What you eat, how you touch your face, and even how you hydrate all play a role. Wrap up. Turning grease into glow. The truth is simple. Oily skin isn't your enemy. It's your misunderstood bodyguard. Instead of fighting it, you need to train it. Start with the 60-second lukewarm wash, teach it balance with a niacinamide and zinc serum, quench its thirst with water-locking gels, and be smart about powdering only in the right spots. Add in bonus hacks like linen blotting, ice massages, and healthy fats, and your skin finally learns how to chill out. The result? You go from greasy to glowing without punishing your skin in the process. If you're ready to stop battling with your oily skin and finally start working with it, hit that subscribe button and join the Glow Squad. Together, we're turning skincare into self-care one secret at a time.